Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
NetFlow. NetFlow technology is used to gather information about data flowing through a network. NetFlow information can be likened to a phone bill for your network traffic. It shows you who and what devices are in your network, as well as when and how users and devices access your network. NetFlow is an important component in behavior-based detection and analysis. Switches, routers, and firewalls equipped with NetFlow can report information about data entering, leaving, and traveling through the network. Information is sent to NetFlow collectors that collect, store, and analyze NetFlow records. NetFlow is able to collect information on usage through many different characteristics of how data is moved through the network, as shown in the figure. By collecting information about network data flows, NetFlow is able to establish baseline behaviors on more than 90 different attributes. This figure displays an image of creating a flow in NetFlow. Create a flow from the packet attributes. NetFlow enable device inspect packet, source IP address, destination IP address, source port, destination port, layer 3 protocol, DOS byte, DSCP, input interface, NetFlow cache, flow information address, ports, and packet, 11,000, bytes/packet, 1528.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly by our social platforms. Thanks for watching.